Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video what we have for you is Ofe-Nsala, and you can as well call it Nsala soup. Remember, we are still on my mother healthy recipe part 4. This is cow meat. It has been cooked down so that it will not take my time a lot. Okay, I don't want the video to be too long. In this cow leg, I'm gonna add some chicken. And the chicken I'm using is hard chicken. Please don't forget, it is called hard chicken where I am. I don't know what it is called where you are. The skin must be hard so that it will be strong when eating it. But if you must use a soft type of chicken, please grill it so that it will be good when eating it. Okay, so after adding my chicken, I will add some fresh fish. This is my fresh fish. So after adding my proteins, I will add this dry pepper. Okay, it is very hot. You can put pepper according to your taste. All right, but my mother likes pepper. So after adding pepper, dry pepper, you can use either Scotch bonnet pepper or any pepper of your choice. I will add ginger, garlic, and onion, and they are all blended. It's a native soup. You don't want a lot of spices in it. This is seasoning cube and salt. You add all the ingredients according to your taste. So after adding that, I will then add more water. As you can see, I've added water and some yam for thickening of the camera. What we have to do now is to cover it and allow it to cook until the yam is soft and the proteins are cooked very well. Have you subscribed to this channel? If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Like this video for it to go far. Share this video to your family, some friends, and drop your beautiful comments. Thank you. So let's check the things we have been cooking. As you can see, it has boiled. First of all, I will remove my yam so that I can be able to pound it off the camera. You can decide to pound it or to blend it, okay? So I will go for the easiest way, which is blending. Yeah. After removing the yam, I will remove the fresh fish before I continue so that it will not scatter. Remove it carefully. And that is it. So after pounding the yam, this is what we got now. Now I will add my pekrese, which is oyokoryo in my language, and this is periwinkle in the shell. We can use the one that has been removed already, but my mother liked this. As I told you, I am cooking it for her. And after that, I will add my stockfish. There is no Nsala soup without stockfish, and this stockfish is very soft. That is why I'm adding it among the last thing. Okay, this is the pounded yam. And here is my ugirogu. There is no Nsala soup without ugirogu. You can decide to blend it with your crayfish or you add it like that. All I know is that it will melt. This is crayfish. And I will add a little bit more water. After which I will add my spices. I got here Ozoza seed. You can decide to go with any seed of your choice, but I'm going based on the kind of spices my mother like. You can decide to go for any spices you like. Local spices goes for Nsala soup, okay? And here I will cover to cook until the yam is dissolved. Let's check how our soup is doing. It's doing so well. All the yam has dissolved, as you can see, and the soup is coming out the way it should be. This is white soup, correct native soup, healthy for everyone. This is the fish we removed earlier, the fresh fish. I'll put it back carefully. Before adding the leaf, which is the last thing, let's check and balance the taste to see if there is anything remaining. We added like salt and onion. Let's add a little bit of otazi so that it will bring out the native taste of the soup. We don't need much. And here our soup is ready. I was stirring the tabazi, being very careful with the fish I just added. Whoa! Now cover to cook for the last time for just 5 minutes. Yeah. And here our delicious Nsala soup is ready. Everybody bring your plate. Oh. Wow, see our soup. The stockfish is talking. I'm eating with pounded yam. Everybody come and join me. And we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel, like the video, share the video, and drop your beautiful comment. And I will see you in our next video. Bye.